open than I think he thought he would be. Back the other way, touch pass down to Edwards, can just elevate and leaves it off the glass. Kobe Edwards putting that athleticism on display. Carrillo up ahead to Spears. That's what I think you would like to see more of if you were Robert Coleman. 11 points per game for these Moose, well on pace to pass that average tonight. Spears, he slices through in transition. So again, you're seeing Albany wasting no time. Court press doesn't have any time to set off the down pick. Here's Sharp. Couldn't get it to go. Excuse me, that was Spears, and the follow from Spears. He'll go to the foul line now. Second foul whistled on Keith.